Raising Dance is started with Hey Jude. First to show quickness at the start, Dance Fever. Down on the inside now is Flammable. Chinoy is racing in fourth. Running by the rail now is entry number 3, Panahon na Manila's Queen. Second last while Sugar Free is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Flammable takes command, Dance Fever alongside second. Hey Jude is racing in third. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Chinoy. Panahon na Manila's Queen, while Sugar Free is still racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Flammable maintaining a 3/4 of a length lead. Dance Fever, Hey Jude, now moving up on the outside. Down on the inside, now is Panahon na. Chinoy comes next, Sugar Free, while Manila's Queen is still racing in less than a far turn. We have Flammable by about 2 lengths. Panahon na in second, Hey Jude, and on the outside now is Chinoy, Sugar Free, Manila's Queen, and Dance Fever. And they are now entering the home stretch. We are Flammable by about 4 lengths. Panahon na, Sugar Free, moving up now on the outside is Chinoy with about 100 meters of the race. Flammable, Chinoy, moving up on the outside. Flammable, Chinoy, moves up on the outside. And finally it's Chinoy, Flammable. Then comes Sugar Free, Panahon na, Hey Jude.
Klaro naman, no? 74136.
Correct. It was Chinoy with Patty Dilemma, forecast na 7.